Goko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Guys, ignore Gachagua at your own risk. Gachagua augodo menya undu ucio uguo niguo kuri. Now, for the past 2 weeks kana 1 week and a half, Rigathi wa Gachagua akoretwo akiaria uhoro wa SHA na ni makoretwo magicokaniria muno na Aden Duale. Na Rigathi wa Gachagua araugire atiriri SHA ni kugwa in the next 6 months. Toguo tu aya marivitari maria mena thire kana maria SHA ina thire wamo metie thire ucio SHA itanagwa. Muthenya wa umuthi kwina marwa mara circulate guko online na thibitari imwe ya maybe thibitari nyingi, thibitari ino imwe ni ya demand besha ciao kuma gwi SHA. Toguo tu marauga atiriri mundu wothe uguthie thiini wa thibitari iyo no athondekirwo na cash, gutire gutumira SHA, no uthondekirwo na cash. Na makauga atiriri angiko wina insurance iria ingi matina thina na insurance icio tondu cio ni cirariha, no angiko ni SHA kando we ukana SHA kana hihi uthie wethe thibitari ingi iria iratumira SHA. Gachagua vindicated. Na tuonie Duale guku ena mang'uri maingĩ muno. Kinara nake guku arambia kuga atiriri ati hena mundu uga ati SHA ni kugwa in the next 6 months, ati atuiria mundu ucio aheirwo uhoro ucio ni wachawi na waganga. Thibitari riu ni tuciambia kweheria. Kende muthomera marwa maya mutigakiuge ni maundu makwa. Kindly subscribe. Thibitari no marikita makauga uu, thibitari no ndiramenyekana ni iriku na ndingimigweta by the way, mugite temporary suspension of SHA insurance services. Makide makauga this is to inform all clients that effective 3rd April 2026 we have temporarily suspended offering services and SHA insurance due to the pending issues with the insurer. Clients are kindly advised to seek services from other SHA accredited facilities within the region. We sincerely apologize for any convenience cost. Dede ruto di hare keda tore kede muthomendekie no hena points here keda very important. Dijo deda muigwe. For critically ill patients currently under our care, management is actively working on appropriate measures to ensure continuity of treatment without interruption. Kindly note the following. Igwei, kindly note the following. Tudome pointi shinya. All services going forward will be offered strictly on cash basis. Cash paying clients will continue to receive full services without interruption. Other insurance covers remain active, and clients under those schemes will continue receiving comprehensive services as usual. All staff are directed to continue offering services to all clients except SHA clients, unless on a cash basis at our main hospital. We appreciate it. All staffs are directed to continue offering services to all clients except SHA clients, unless on a cash basis at our main hospital. Yeah, guys, oguo neguo maundu maikarite. So aiko kwina thibitari iria utumagira SHA ni wega abe twirie kana hihi ni ma offer services na SHA kana hihi ni marengete services icio. Niki gwathire na mbere ati ntugukinya haha ona uhoro wa health ukahuana ta wagwa. Gachagua warned us. Hena undu Rigathi wa Gachagua ekire gwiciria atiriri, hena research Rigathi wa Gachagua ekire before abete kwaria maundu macio. Gachagua ni gwiciria research ria Gachagua ekire ni atiriri, ni amenyire hihi ni mathibitari mamuhuteirie oria SHA hihi mena mathire mao manene ni matirenda kuriho ni madagitari ni SHA. I think that's where nikyo Rigathi Gachagua okay na issue no awali ada ndware wena morigire waka agaya center na gege kale na mnyama uyu ugwetwo SHA ni kugwa uragwa. What happened, ladies and gentlemen? Hena Brenda mutongoria bũrũri ekire hingo ĩno oya thirikari na Brenda yo ni ndamwirire thaa ici aria tukinyete ndangĩhota ku rectify maũndũ maya mothe mekuo thĩinĩ wa ministries ici ciothe. Mutongoria bũrũri thaa ici ndangĩhota ku rectify ona angĩka atĩa kana atĩa. Brenda nĩrĩkũ ekire? Brenda number 1 ni ku reward at politicians ama mũsapotia gĩthurano kĩa mwaka wa 22 akiabe kuma reward na kũmahe mawĩra thĩinĩ wa ministries. Kaigua minister ati nĩ ma politician mahetwo rather than the expert. So hako minister ya health ni politician. Mũndũ ũcio maingira harĩa emi yake nĩkĩ? Nĩ gwetha mbia na biashara na mindset ya mwanasiasa ikogwo na bemo ni kuiya. Almost all of them, majority mindset yao aingĩ ni kuiya ni gũbora rather than gwetha mũndũ expert ũraigania na iria nini ararĩhwo ni gwetha wanasiasa. Na wanasiasa nĩo makoretwo magĩsabotage thirikari ĩno. Ruto ende ya kuiga Duale hau kwisha maneno hauga ndarenda rĩrĩ kumweheria hau tondu hihi ni agetha kura ciana kũrĩa kana hihi ni partners thĩinĩ wa SHA ĩno. Rigathi Gachagua augire atĩrĩrĩ mnyama ũyũ ura operate Middle East thĩinĩ ni Dubai. SHA ĩra operate Dubai. Ũguo nĩguo Rigathi Gachagua augire. Awitaga mnyama inaitwa SHA. Nĩguo Rigathi Gachagua awitaga. Auga operatagirwo Dubai na kira mundu witwo Duale okay akanushe. So I don't know what will happen. Ketete tuone mathibitarĩ maitũ ũrĩa gũgũthiĩ na mbere, but it's so unfortunate. It's so unfortunate atĩ andũ no makorwo hihi makĩrĩha SHA na wathiĩ thibitarĩ SHA ĩkaga gũkũrĩhĩra. It's so unfortunate. Health is very important. Insurance ya health ni ya bata mũno, ni ya bata mũno. Thirikari ĩngĩkorwo ĩgĩthaka na health hau mefanya blanda. Anyway guys, ketweterere tuone ũrĩa maũndũ megũikara. Gũkũ nĩ kwa Kikuyu podcast. Moni manyu marĩkũ? Remember, Rigathi Gachagua auga ũndũ, don't ignore ũndũ ũcio Rigathi Gachagua arauga. Auga kaũndũ, don't ignore it. Don't ignore it at all. Auga ũndũ no gekĩka. Ũhoro wa SHA twambia kuona ndariri no reke tweterere. Kũrĩ Kikuyu podcast. Moni manyu marĩkũ? Inyuĩ mũno atĩa. Thank you, God bless you.